possible.
This futures live stream event is proudly brought to you by MightyOxTrading. All information contained herein should be considered for educational and entertainment purposes only. Nothing seen or heard should be considered financial advice. Whoa, static. Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Friday. I hope everyone's had a great night, ready for a great day. It is non-farm payroll day. Mr. G, good morning. Good to see you. Gregory, so good to see you. I hope you're having a good morning so far. Let's look at what the markets are doing and see if the markets are having a good morning. To market, to buy some NQ. Yeah, it's been a choppy night. High was that first candle after we had that amazing rise up in the afternoon yesterday. 51.18 is the high. 50.99 is the low. I can do that math. That's 19 points. I have a feeling the math isn't going to be as easy for NQ. NQ high, 17,808. Low, 719. It's not bad. About 89 points in range. Not bad. Yep. Slow though, under 100 points. Kappa had a good night. About 140 ticks. Gold trying to hang on to 2,300. It dipped below yesterday, but came back up. It looks like about 15 points in range there. Ultra Bond. Made a new high since I moved these lines. Does that to be smart. About only about half of 3/4 of a point in range. Crude oil. Look how choppy crude looks. Wow. Choppy crude. Choppy crude. It's about 60 ticks in range. Nice move up there on natty gas. And Bitcoin still under 60K, barely hanging on the 59K. So that's where sit stand there, whatever body posture you're choosing to take on this wonderful Friday morning as we get ready for non-farm payroll. You can see we're kind of rising up a bit. Really small though right now. We'll see how it goes. We are ready on our Blue Sky account. Nice little move up here, I guess. Yeah, that's a quick move up. Pulls back a little bit. Trying to pop back up. For you prop traders out there, we haven't seen Bulenox back to 90%, but just until tomorrow night. It's like a 2-day sale, 2.5-day sale. So if you need any Bulenox accounts, good morning, CBR. How's it going? Very stagnant here as we head toward NFP. So, of course, news today, NFP coming up here in 21 minutes. But after that, we do have more news later in the morning. US ISP Services PMI final at 9:45, and then US ISM Services PMIs, and a whole bunch of other PMIs, whatever the heck PMIs are, at 10 o'clock. It's been a wild week. Looks like we're going to finish in a wild fashion. Earned a trade, got rid of their default commissions. Now it's just the live commissions, which never, the whole default thing never really made sense to me. Anyway. It'll pop back up. These would be 5-point moves, I guess. Okay. Look at that. Nice little move back up from that little blue candle from Pasadena. How's everyone doing today? 15 minutes until NFP. Are you down with NFP? Yeah, you know me. Little choppy. My mama told me we're gonna chop around. Waiting for the NFP. Mighty Ox Trading After Dark. And after light too. Join me for a special 9-hour long futures trading live stream. We are going to trade both the London and the New York Opens, 2 a.m. to 11 a.m. Plus, we're doing a giveaway. We're going to be giving one of those wonderful Blue Sky Static Growth Plus Eval accounts. The entry form will be available for the entire length of the stream, so you don't have to be there at a certain time. You can just stop in, fill out the entry form, and leave again if you want. Winner will be announced at 10:30 a.m. Eastern Time. So join me for this special 9-hour stream. We used to do these every month. Maybe we'll bring them back. We'll see how this one goes. Hope you'll join me for some or all of this long futures trading live stream. Ooh, what's going on with this mic? Sorry about the static. Yep. Good morning, G-Man. How is California? Dark and stormy night. Oh, just hanging around. In case anyone missed it, if you're interested, Blue Sky has their competition going again, their trader competition for the month of May. $5 to enter, but you do need to have an active Blue Sky Eval or funded account to enter as well. I'm actually on the Blue Sky competition account for this morning. Thought about it. This nice little slow grind up. Oh, oh. At non-farm payrolls, I expect that we're either going to go up or down, or maybe both. That's why you come to MightyOxTrading for this hard-hitting analysis. Yep, I plan to. Although, I mean, kind of wait until NFP, but after NFP, yeah. We're not grinding so slowly. So slowly. So we had that amazing bounce yesterday up in the afternoon. Well, I mean, it started in the morning, afternoon. Apple gave us a huge bounce. I guess they're doing a major share buyback or something like that, if I saw right. Apple gave us that bounce in the afternoon. Kind of stagnant overnight. Yeah, I need to look what Apple itself did. What did Apple do? What did Apple do? That's an interesting candle. Wow, look at that. That's interesting. So Apple, when their earnings came out, shot up 450, then another $1.69. Total move was actually 173 up to 186, so like $13. Look at these wicks. Those are weird. Major stop hunts along the way? I don't know. It'll grind down here. 5 minutes to go. Less than 5 minutes to go. Gold falling. New low a day on gold. Ultra bond new high a day. Blue candle pop on NQ. Are we ready for NFP? Are you ready? Good. Does your bot know that NFP is coming up? Are you are you gonna hold through NFP? Oh, okay. It's on Sim. Good. Good, good, good. Ooh, little snap up there. Minute to go. Minute to go, folks. places, everybody? Getting vippy. Ooh, look at that whip before NFP. Whoa. Just shot up 40 points before NFP. Boom. No idea what that line's for, but it's gone. I think your bot knew something we didn't, CVR. Boom, 127 point candle. Getting close to 17.9. Fading now. Nope, not yet. Still trying to go. It just hit 17.9 even. Still going. This must have been one heck of a number. Ow. Sorry to hear that, CVR. This must have been one heck of a print. Slowing down now. We're short. Not falling as fast as I had hoped. Oh, back up. Ouch. Come on down. Just come on down a little bit more and I'll get out for try and get a. Nope, it's not going to. Well, maybe. There it goes. There it goes. We'll take it off there. Ended up being a 11-point trade. 2 contracts. It bounces back up. Gives me a minute to take a breath and look at the print. Non-farm payrolls 175. They expected 240K. That is a huge miss. Previous was 303K. That's a huge miss. Unemployment rate has ticked up 0.1% as well. They expected 3.8. We got 3.9. Average earnings is down. Private payrolls is down. Average work week is down. And U.S. average earnings month over month is down. All very negative numbers for the economy. U.S. Fed funds futures raises chances of a rate cut in September to 78% after jobs data versus 63% just before. Right, we're kind of stagnant. So I didn't realize I had 5 contracts on that trade. I thought I only had 2. So if we look quick here, now we've totally almost, yeah, look at this. We are back to where we had before that huge drop on Tuesday afternoon. You can see we're running into this resistance here. You can see Monday's high, 949. So we're about 20 points away from that. That's our weekly high. And you can see this is a major area. You can see how much we chopped around here on the 17th. Needs to get through this area before we can go back up into the 18Ks. But it's still going pretty strong. Look at that. I'm glad I got out in that short where I did. This is now a 190 point candle on the hourly. See it grinding slowly back up. Be interesting to see if that 949 is a wall. Nope, it just went right through it. Never mind. We're already up to 958. NFP is loving this. Or I should say the market is loving NFP. Said that backwards. Pulling back again here now. Hey, John. How are you on this fine morning? Now it looks like we're fading. No, we're not. Sandwich between those two EMAs. Take any pre-NFP trades, John? I need to poop. I need to poop. Wow, busy schedule. We're short. Uh, Stop top of that purple candle. If I'm wrong, we'll just give back that move we got fading the original move. A speed racer. Yeah, no, I knew that, John. I meant, did you get any trades beforehand like you normally do in the earlier morning? Oh, yeah, sorry. There you go. Sorry about that. Nice job, John. Yeah, looks like I might have had my chance there to get out, and now I'm going to take a loss here. Purple candle did not work this time. Or maybe it worked and I just didn't take the profit. 26 down to 20. I would have expected more there. Oh, maybe. Here we go. Yeah, it gave me a chance to get out there. I didn't take it. Could have got out for a break even. Now I'm going to take the full stop. Idiot. Idiotic me. Now we got kind of chubby. Back down. Well, that was the direction. Apparently, I have a feeling it's going to drop, but we shall see. Does the 5-minute look like? Yeah, 5 minutes screaming we're going to continue to drop. There we go. Come on. Go. There we go. Ah, don't bounce on me. Don't bounce on me. Are you serious? So you're just going to give me one red candle and come back up on me? Wow. That was a good trade until I let it bounce up on me. Oh, God, I hate trading. Hey, Crypticon, how you doing? That was me trying for a bigger move, and it didn't work out. And here it comes back down. So see, gold really liked non-farm payrolls for a minute and then hated it again. Ultraviolet really loved it too. Copper was eh. Crude, wow, crude chave. Slow grind, still trying to head up. What was our high? Our high was 962. We're at 930-ish. How's the YouTube stuff been going, Crypt? Hey, G. I think you need to hit your live button there, G. You might be a little bit behind on the broadcast. Or whatever, stream. This really isn't a broadcast. So we're short off that purple candle. Market's slowed down. Wow, market's really slowed down. ATR's down to 6. Wow. There we go. Target hit, 10 points. So, this trade back here that bit me, I entered on that purple candle. It would have worked. But I set my ATR for a high, thinking we were going to have a bigger drop. So if I just would have taken my 10, this would have been a win instead of a loss. So, live and learn. All right. So, yes, should still have another 10 to 15 points in it on the downside. Or less than, more than, about 37 minutes to the bell is what I'm trying to spit out. So I pop back up. Blue candle pop would have been good for 10. But I still feel like I don't know, I still feel like it wants to come down more. See, this is the 5-minute chart. It looks ugly with all those trades on it, but it's just kind of sideways on the 5. Watching it pop back up, it's kind of choppy with big candles. We're doing the big candle chop. It's still trying to grind upwards. Anybody else taking any trades recently? So, how you doing, or how have you done? Little dip there. Minor blue sky static growth and static growth plus flash sale ends tonight. Cheapest I've ever seen those statics, and those are the best statics in the futures props. Definitely should look into those. And remember, not only that, those evals can be free if you keep under a 25% consistency. Definitely check them out. Videos in the description below. Link is in the video description below. Chavi. About the top of the hour. 30 minutes till the bell. Remember, we have news after the bell today at both 9:45 and 10. We'll rise up. Market's taking a breath after that huge action earlier. I mean, it's moving a little bit, but ugh. Ugh. Technical trading term. Ugh. Now we're rising. I see NQ rising. I see profits on the way. YouTube's kind of yelling at me, saying it's not getting enough enough video to maintain smooth streaming. So you may need to hit your live buttons. If you see any swirling, hold on. It'll be fine in a minute. There's my internet gate. It went out overnight at one point. There we go. Now it says excellent connection again, so we should be good. Purple blue, not giving me any follow through. I didn't even mean to rhyme that. Choking on a drink. That'd be a good day. So this calmed down very quick. We're short off that purple. So it's ready to bounce already. Let's see. Hard to see. There we go. Yep, it's bouncing. Way too big of a stop. Get down there. There, baby. Yep. Yep, see it bounced. More bounce to the ounce. Ah, there it goes. Now, China. 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 Not China. Trying. No idea what the heck I was trying to say there. Struggling to get through 925. Bounces again. And I'm out. Break even trade there. Wise man said, just don't want to lose money. Yeah, it would have worked. That's okay. rising back up. Trying to come back up. Less than 20 minutes till the bell. Ace should be arriving soon. MightyOxTrading after dark. And after light too. Join me for a special 9-hour long futures trading live stream. We are going to trade both the London and the New York Opens, 2 a.m. to 11 a.m. Plus, we're doing a giveaway. We're going to be giving one of those wonderful Blue Sky Static Growth Plus Eval accounts. The entry form will be available for the entire length of the stream, so you don't have to be there at a certain time. You can just stop in, fill out the entry form, and leave again if you want. Winner will be announced at 10:30 a.m. Eastern Time. So join me for this special 9-hour stream. We used to do these every month. Maybe we'll bring them back. We'll see how this one goes. Hope you'll join me for some or all of this long futures trading live stream. Oh yeah, the dollar really did dive there, didn't it? And Bitcoin's having a great day on that news, on the NFT news. Just grindy right now. Grindy. Yeah, San Francisco. See how that goes. Yeah, it'd be interesting how you get, yeah, because Detroit's gotten off to a nice start. It'd be interesting to see how they do against the Yanks. It's interesting the Yanks are doing so good with Aaron Judge. Honestly, it's still kind of slumping. Yeah, food continues to see no go up, Mr. G. Oh, that could hurt the Canadian GDP numbers. It's kind of, this is just chappy. Good morning, Ace. Doing good. uh, the big get bigger. Find it odd that the market just popped up when they said he wants a certain number. There it is, Ace. Problem is, it's popping up further. And Q popping up. This ain't the easiest points you've ever gotten, Ace, it's looking like. We're about 7 minutes till the bell. Kind of watching it hang here. It's not wanting to move either way. Well, there's a move down. Prop traders, Bulenox is 90% again, just until tomorrow night. If you ran out of evals, or if you need evals, or just wanted to wait till that 90% came back for more, it's there, but only for a couple days. Burl, they do not have consistency rules on the static accounts. They do have them on the regular accounts. No consistency rule in funded, though. Look at this move down. Nice. If something follows you all weekend, Ace, I would, I would call the police if that's a stalker. I've heard it's good. All right, see this weird candle here? That was another one of these five exactly 9:25 candles. I wonder what the heck is going on. Exactly 5 minutes before the bell every day. I do day trading. I don't need anything else messing with my mind. uh, grind up toward the bell. Wow, actually a quick move up here. Wowzers. Wow, look at that. Ace is giving us our 2-minute warning. 2 minutes, everybody. Wow, just a quick run here before the bell. So it starts down a little bit. Looks a little confused. Hey, Tio, how you doing? Short. Bounces on that EMA. Darn it, I should have put the target right on the EMA. Yep. Oh, there we go. Comes down again. It's going to give me another chance. Ah! Took the loss. Watch it come back down now. There we go. It's going to give me another opportunity. The purple candle. Yep. Still can't get through that EMA. Oh, now it did. We'll try again. Oh, maybe. There we go. Target hit. Boom. There we go. Nice 10-point trade. Tio, is it recoverable? Were you able to recover from it? Okay, good, 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 good. I mean, not good that you're having some other issue, I mean, but glad it's not trading related. Whatever it is I'm trying to say, I mean it the best way possible. Popping up. Flush the longs, says G-Man. Up, right back down. And up. We're long off that blue candle. Waited for it to come down, and then we'll go back up. Maybe not going to go for me, though. Let's see. Yep. 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 Out. Small loss. Yeah, shouldn't have. Well, let's see what it does. I mean, it shook me out too. I mean, it allowed it to shake me out too soon, but we'll see. See, we're still sideways when you look at the 5-minute chart. You know, went up on the NFP, and you know it's sideways. It looks more short than long for sure. Interesting that we are seeing a down move there on ES, which got G-Man booming, but we're seeing an up move on NQ. So one of the times that they're not moving together. Maybe just short here. Where did you go long, bro? And is this, are you red? Yeah, once you start a sentence like that, you know we all do now. We all want to know. Inquiring minds want to know. We may need someone to go to North Carolina and go look at Burl's computer so we find out. 5111. Ouch. Are you still in that trade? Uh, no, bro, he's taking 60 points. I mean, no ace. He's taking 60 points of heat. He's long at 51.11, and we're at 50. Oh wait. Oh wait a minute. You're long at 51.11, and you're 51.49. Never mind. I misread that. I'm sorry. I apologize, Burrow. I thought you were red, but you're really green. Okay, never mind. I'm an idiot. Totally misread that. Excellent, excellent, Burrow. So you're up 40 points. Not sure why I was misreading that, and I apologize. We're grinding up. Ever since I said, well, it looks like we're going to come down, it's been grinding up. Yeah, nice, bro. Excellent job. Yeah, I was gonna say he's way up. The way he led that in, like it was like when he said, "You don't want to know." I was immediately thinking, his bot took the long at the top or something. So my mind immediately thinking something bad. I apologize. But I blame Burl for the way he let it in. I would think it had to have taken it long somewhere. I mean, NFP candle start at 51.07, yeah. 8:17 Eastern. Oh, so before NFP. Wow, your bot uh had some guts there holding through NFP. Up to 988. Are we gonna hit 18,000? Are we gonna hit 18,000? Oh yeah, crap. I'm sorry, guys. I totally forgot about news. That was a little news bump. We have more news at the top of the hour. And now we're trying to push down a BI. Burrow, I need to make you a trend is your friend t-shirt. There's 18,000. Burrow, your bot trails at stop, right? Yeah, ES making new highs. NQ made new highs well ago. Took a short there. Looks like it's going to bounce on me though. Maybe not. Maybe so. There we go. Come on. Yep, bouncing. Ouch. Fuck. And down. So it came up, stopped me out to the tick, and then back down. I just don't see that happening, Burl. I think this is going to drop like a rock here shortly. Not that I'm playing that. I'm just going to play what I see, but I don't see it staying up at these highs. But it could. G-Man catching the short. Popping back up. Popping back up above 18,000. ES back up to 51.59. Just about. Barely, yes. Yeah, it hit 51.59 half for the high. It's at 51.58 half. So it's pulled back by a point, but still pushing. News coming up in 5 minutes. Excellent, Tio. ES just hit 51.60. Slow grind back down a little bit. So quick look at gold. See how bad that dumped. Back down to 22.85. Just reclaimed 2,300 though. G-Man, it seems like that's becoming a regular thing. Are you both going to wear the cheerleading skirts? "90 seconds till the last of the news for today." Pushing down here right before news. That was a big 7-point NQ candle. Still falling. "15 seconds, still news." Woo! Yeah, big green candle. ES up to 51.66. NQ just hit 18.050, but pulling back quick. So ES, ooh, now we're red. So ES pulls all the way back to 50.52. That's a short. I should be in a short right now. What happened? Oh, wow, I got stopped out that quick? I went short late and I ended up getting, no, or did I get profit that quick? Oh, wow, I got profit that quick? Wow! I never had that happen before. I went short on that real quick, and it was real quick. Less than 1 second, I made 10 points. Less than 1 second. And now it's bouncing. See, yesterday we had that kind of candle at the open, and I did the deer in the headlights thing. Today I kind of did it too, and then I'm like, oh my god, I need to. This is exactly from the same thing as yesterday. I need to be short, and I finally got in. I should have been short on that second purple candle there. I didn't grab that one. Yeah, ES guys, Burl, you're down to 51.44. Don't know where your trend line is, but it's given back 20 points now, as G-Man just said. Let's try to pop back up. Yep. This time, G-Man, I recognized it. I grabbed that short that lasted less than a second. I can't say I've ever had a trade last less than a second before. In case you think I'm like crazy, well, because I am, but here, hold on. Trade of eight's being stupid. And now Trade of eight won't show me my trades, so I don't know what's going on there. Yep, still falling. The G-Man's right. This was the same pattern as yesterday, and we saw the huge fall. So let me, I can actually show that while it's following and I'm not in it. So let's see, does it show it good on a 5-minute? Not really. So we'll keep to the 30-second. This was the whip up. You saw the whip up and it came back down harsh. That was as far as it could go. Yesterday at the open, you ready for it, T.O.? Ready, ready, ready. Turn back time. It's hard to turn back time on a 30-second chart. This was yesterday's open. And you seen it shot up and immediately got crushed back down, and then you saw this move, and you could see how far this fell. It shot at 50.88, and eventually it went all the way down to 50.36, so a 50-point drop from that candle there. And we're trying to bounce a little bit. Back up to 51.48 on ES. We're back up to 17,977 on NQ. Oh, back down. Looks like it's still going lower. G-Man said it probably would. And maybe try to bounce again. Let's see what happens. Tio. There's that break of 40 that G-Man was looking for on ES, and Q down to 17,920. Trying to bounce back up. There we go, finally. So, real quick, so you don't think I'm this is my trade of 8 chart from today. Look at this bottom one. Now it shows 32 to 33, but it wasn't even a full second because look, absolutely no duration on that trade for 1,000 bucks. 10-point trade, 0 duration. So that means it happened so fast I didn't even register as 1 second. It's just insane. Lower high, lower low, says G-Man. Yeah. Elon Musk beat that. Yes, G-Man. G-Man had an epic 23-second trade once. I went short, but I'm really late. Yeah, I'm gonna get back here. Yeah, I got stopped out. So I just gave back my half-second trade there. I was really late. If I hadn't been late, I would have got it. Wow. I was 9 points late. I'm not even sure how. That's okay. And pops up. Pops up. Popping back up. And big move back down. Quick rise up there. Rise up. Did your bot get out, Burl? Long. Stopped out. Wow. Damn it. Fine. Short. Wow, really? Are you going to range on me now? Are you serious? Come on back down. There we go. That's more like it. Target hit. Wow. Nice. Wow, my stop there was 38.50 and it got it back up to 37.50 before the flush back down. And whoa, what a flush. And there's the bounce. More bounce to the odds. Now, of course, my mistake here was, back here when this happened, like we said, it was like, the exact same type move as yesterday, and I did recognize it. Of course, I got that 10-point trade, but I should have quickly went for more. I should have changed it. You can see here, it could have got 70 points on NQ. So I could have gone for 50 points, and that would have been a great trade, but I just didn't think fast enough. Okay, give me 1 sec, G-Man. Okay, go ahead and call in. Hello? Hello?
Yeah.
Oh.
How many ringy dingies was that?
Ah,
You remember laughing,
oh,
Eva?
yeah. Yeah, I do.
She was funny. What did I want to say? Yeah, so just briefly, yesterday morning at the open, we got that same candle. It just shot up and then spiked down and left a huge, what do you call it, a tail up there.
Yeah, wick,
So
whatever.
that
Yeah.
indicates, plus, if you look on the 30-second, we almost got 12,000 contracts traded in that candle. So if you look at both of the, plus we're up, 65 from on that news. I mentioned when we were up 60. So the market, that was the key. It ran out of steam right there. It was a blow off top, just like we had yesterday morning. So, I mean, Ox, you're kind of beating yourself up there. And dude, if you got that trade, you got the trade. I mean, there's nothing
Right.
more. You can't, it's the first time you saw it was yesterday. So now you got it. So next time you'll maybe stay in longer, or maybe take. I don't know if you got signals in there. I don't know what you were doing there, but I was just shorting sort of every pullback, up, pull up, pull up.
Yeah.
I mean, it was basically down 20 before it
Yeah.
stopped, and then so it was like 51.50, 51. Below that 51.45, and now just 51.40. So that's all I can do, and I don't know. I don't have a crystal ball. I have no idea how far it's going to go, but we did get, a 50% retrace on that move this morning, which was like 32, 33. And from the top, we're now down 35 plus, which is a lot. So I just look at ranges and I just kind of think, you know, how far can it go? We went up 65, and
And it's still
that's a lot.
and it's still dumping.
It's still dumping. So just keep, I think I posted lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So we got a lower high there, 30, 35 something, 37 maybe. And that dumped. So you can either stay in or have a method. And my method is I just sell short the pullbacks. That's it. And on the way up, I buy the pullbacks, buy the dip. So just it's a great day because it's up sideways, and that sideways move, and then it popped again at the open, shot down, and then popped again. So room for everybody, long, short, sideways, got everything. And I think I said this every time I come on the mic, that these are the days we need to trade because we're getting all this stuff and we're getting big range. 65 is a big, big range. Same as yesterday. Total range yesterday, 65. Uh, that's including overnight, obviously. So, it's not, 10 or 15, it's 65. It's fun. And I don't know where it's going to go from here, but did you get any purples in that?
Yeah, I
So
got.
after, yeah,
Yeah, I actually took the purple that
yeah,
was firing. Like it was fired 2 candles
first one.
after. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
perfect. So that's all you can do, right? That's your method. That's how you trade. All you can do is take them. But you got one, so good for you. I probably know not many other people did. You can take a show of hands. It's not easy to see something and then get it right away like you did, and then execute a trade on it. Come on, takes months to figure this stuff out.
Beautiful bounce back up.
So I'm looking for lower high. The last high was maybe 38. Let me see. 38 half. So if we test that, or lower than that. So it tested it, poked it. So that might be it for the down move. So 35 points, not bad. 50% retrace, not bad.
This is what Burrell's hoping for. It comes back all the way back.
Burl needs to add contracts, is what Burl needs to do.
Back up to 51.41 on ES, back up to 9.61 on NQ.
Yeah, I mean it could go all the way back up. Who knows? Could retrace the whole thing. Nobody knows.
Nobody knows the
We just
trouble
got a
I've seen.
little red, little spike candle with a red.
Yeah.
Red is down, so maybe that was it. I mean, I don't waste time thinking about really what it may do. I just put trades on, and if I make money, I make money. If I lose money, I lose money. Don't really worry about it. But today I've just been trading against Burl today, shorting.
Oh, a quick burst back up.
Yeah.
That was a 21.15 second candle.
Yeah. That's what happens when the volume's up. I think. I don't even, did I write it down? God. Not doing my job here. I forgot to write it down.
Hey, you forgot to write it down a day or two ago as well.
Oh, when I get trading, everything goes out the window. But yeah, we're like at 740,000 contracts traded in a half an hour, an hour of trading, and that counts all the overnight as well. So that's quite a bit.
Hey, Sid, good to see you. Crypticon, welcome back.
Yesterday we got 1.5 million traded. Day before 1.9 today, although it's Friday. G-Man's talking, Chase.
Yeah,
How you
this
doing?
is G-Man.
Ox lets me on so he can trade. I think that's the only reason, right, Ox?
No, because you have good insight that people can use if they decide to.
How do you know?
It's really that if I have to listen to you every day, I make everyone else listen to you.
Stop. If I have to listen to your baseball chat with John, and we all have to listen to Ace's jokes, so what else? So here, I don't know, because sort of made a higher low and a higher high. So, and we are down 35 plus points, maybe closer to 40 from the high.
Ace just said he heard that.
That was for Ace. Look at it go. I love our Ace's jokes, though. Pretty funny. Who else was joking today? RJ or somebody? Sled dog. How was that, John?
Yeah, John's joke.
Yeah.
Yeah, we haven't heard much from RJ. RJ, how's your trading going today?
He's just focusing in.
Yeah, we still want to hear Ace on the mic someday.
Yeah, Ace and RJ show.
We had Sid on the mic one night a few months back.
Put Sid on. Is that Chase?
Yeah. And now he's gotten too busy with his farm.
Yeah, we can get a farm update. So here I just look for, it might stop here at 35 for a long, or it could continue down and we get a lower high, and there it goes. I'm trying a barrel, but it's not working. Market likes to retrace, especially these quick moves, so that's why I fade them. So yeah, I was fading 55 to 50 range pre-market. That's 50, went to 55 or 57, I guess, but I'll look round numbers. And that got all the way to 40, broke 40, and then stopped. So we got 37. It bounced up, got to 65 plus, which is a 30-point move. Shot down. 40 held it. 37 held it. Now 35. 30. So I mean, you can long or short, it doesn't matter. You're getting points. That. So there was the bounce, sort of like making an H, little H or chair, kind of. I don't know if you can see that, which usually means lower.
So Sid just sold 4 pigs today. I do notice that lean hogs is down on the day.
250 pounds for each pig. How do you get that to market? Wow.
To market to buy a fat pig.
I bet that sourdough is good. That's love sourdough. We have sourdough here in San Francisco. They use the same yeast that they brought over from Italy, I guess, in the 1850s. I don't know how you do that, but maybe they use a fridge. I don't know.
We all need to have a convention down at Sid's farm one day. Sell them for $1.45 a pound plus processing.
Is that the bread or the pigs?
I think that's the pigs. And just how much does it take to process one of those?
Wow. You're making bacon, huh?
Yes, it's literally making bacon.
Exactly.
Keep back up to 951. Bouncing around here.
I think he made more than all of us combined today. Jeez. I can't do that. I can't do that math.
1,000 pounds, $1.45 a pound. So about 1,450 bucks.
That's the easy way to do it.
Yep.
Very nice. Probably cost 2,000 to feed them to get them that fat, but
processing around 60. I would have thought it was more than that. It's not bad. Chocolate chip sourdough.
Very nice. We just have plain around here. I haven't seen anything like that. A new market for you.
Sounds like you're really enjoying yourself, Sid, and that's the important part, that you have enjoyed this new venture in life. Oh wow! So 4 pigs, 12 pigs for 4 months only cost $300.
Wow.
That's not bad at all.
Very nice.
There we go. We need to invest in pigs.
Might have to get a piggery. Is that what they call it?
Ow. Oh, cool, Chase. For that project you were telling me about or mentioned?
You ever watch Clarkson's Farm?
No, I've never have.
It's on Prime. They've got 2 seasons done. The third's coming out. It's hysterical. It's this English guy, Jeremy Clarkson, who's a buffoon. He's really not very good at anything. He ran a show for 20 something
Order
years called
filled.
Top Gear.
Uh-huh.
So, they're looking at cars and it's just hysterical. But now he has an 1,100 acre farm somewhere in England, and he's just hopeless. He buys a tractor, he gets a Lamborghini tractor, and it's too big for the garage, too big for, it can't go anywhere. It's just too big.
Oh,
It's
wow.
hysterical. It's just, he figures instead of cutting the grass with a lawnmower, behind the tractor, he's going to buy sheep. So he gets all these sheep and he learns how tough it is to be a shepherd. It's crazy. At the end of the year, all this stuff, he made like $66.
Oh.
Or maybe it's 260. It's like nothing, the whole year. All the disasters, one after the other. But it's entertaining. Wow. 10 grand on 4 rentals.
Oh, wow. So we need to buy pigs and excavators.
Order filled.
Excavator. Is that like a big tractor or the digger thing?
A digger thingy.
Yeah, those things aren't cheap.
He sent me a picture of it once.
So we made the low and then we retested it within one tick at 28 and bounce. So couldn't break it. So I think Burrell's getting happier and happier.
Pig or cow shares? So like a pork chop or a ribeye? Oh.
That's not a bad idea, actually, Chase.
That would be cool.
Which part of the pig does Ace get?
Poor Ace, we're picking on him today.
Oh, he can defend himself. Oh, you invest. All right, now we need a higher low here.
We all love Ace.
If we want to go up. Yeah, he's
But we all love Mrs. Ace even more. She always says nice things. He's trying to pack for vacation.
Where are you headed, Ace?
He never tells his location.
Smart man. I'm going to Austin, Texas on the 15th through the 19th. I'm looking at the weather down there. It doesn't look good. Hopefully that clears out.
Yeah.
I don't even know where your town is. Out of town. I know it's in the Rockies somewhere. Maybe.
Wow, 9% return, Sid. That's a pretty nice return for 9 months.
So what's that annualized? It's more than 9.
would invest in something like that. I'm starting to get a little. Well, I can't. I mean, I'm still in debt, so I can't. I shouldn't really invest in something like that.
Diversified.
Yeah. Little volume spike there.
Yep. So it held 35, 40, and up we go. Still got to break a bunch of levels, but it will.
Actually, what I said about Ace was about Mrs. Ace. I just said that we like Mrs. Ace more because she always says nice things.
Is she listening?
She often listens.
Nice. So is your wife taking you on vacation, Ace, or?
Ooh, getting close to 18,000 again here in NQ. Rocketing up.
Yeah.
There you go, Burrow. If you're still listening, it's back up to 51.44, so you're back up by 33 points.
Yep.
Does that mean you won't be here Monday, Ace?
Nice. Little 3-day. Well, today, Saturday, Sunday, that's 3.
Yeah.
Or Monday. So now it's going to stop out all the shorts that got in late or what have you. That's what it does all day, every day. You getting any blue bars, Ox?
I did not get any blue bars in that move.
Wow.
It was no pullback. Yeah, I always, in order to get a blue bar, I need a little pullback, and it didn't. You know, the lead candle there didn't engulf, so and then it just was straight green all the way up.
Well, can we interest you in a little pullback trade? like this one?
Possibly.
Right there. You know, you can take your line and call it a whatever that line is.
Yeah, that's the 9 EMA.
There you go. Let's call it that. Or there comes your blue. Wait for that.
Order filled.
Try along there.
Look at you. Come on now. Is that your 30 or 15 second?
15. Ooh, a nice blue candle there popping on the 30.
And up we go.
It's sticking there though.
Order filled.
I pulled out. I think it was a break-even trade. Yeah, there it goes. I shouldn't have pulled out. But I looked at that. Looking at this, I see it got up to there and then did the same thing there. It's just kind of why I was hesitant to stay in there. Need to see it break through.
Yep.
So far, it
There's
hasn't.
no wrong answer, man.
Oh, and actually, I did get a point off that trade, so it was a green trade even.
There you go.
It's poked a little bit, but still no clean
That's
break
not
there.
what she said.
I
heard that one too.
When it came out of my mouth, I was even gonna make the joke, and I thought, we'll let it go. But I knew someone would. I have a feeling it would have been Ace if Ace would be busy packing.
Yeah, see, it didn't go, so you made a point on a.
Yeah.
So.
Oh, by the way, here is a picture of Sid's excavator. actually a nice looking machine. It's not often I
Wow.
say that about
How come it's not
construction
a
equipment.
it's not a case? A Kubota. That's wow.
Yeah.
Piece of equipment there. Brand new.
Pulls back, tries again.
£13,500. Wow.
57 horsepower. Is that what that 57 H is?
Like the up move might be over.
Yeah, pulling down.
You got your purple.
Yeah.
Order filled.
And then here comes another purple. There's 5 points. Boom.
Order
Boom.
filled.
There we go. There's a 10-pointer.
But it wasn't 1 second. You got to work on that, Ox.
It was pretty close there. I think it was like 3. Let's see. No, 9. Oh, I underestimated that. It was 9 seconds.
Yeah. See, that's no good. So yeah, we got the 45 quarter, and then it popped down, and we couldn't get back to 45. Popped down, couldn't even get back to the prior. So lower, lower, lower. Bang. And then it's a guess if it's going to keep going or it's going to return back up. So usually pops up, which it's doing, and then at some point it'll stop and return, or that might have been the low and we're going back up. Those are obviously the only 2 things it can do. But we made a higher low because the prior low was a little under 35. So it's a higher low and going up. I'm not confident either way here.
Dropping. So if I had taken that last purple candle, it would have worked for 10.
Yep. So you got 3 there. You got 3 purples, looks like.
Total of 4 purples. I took 1. Although this one would have ran into this one. So that was all one trade. But yeah. I took this one right here.
Boom.
And this one, I kind of just, I doubt it because it was hanging on that EMA. But there's no reason not to take that one. But this is where I get hesitant because it's down so far. It's like, is it going to continue to keep going down? And most of the time it does, even though I'm here like, is it going to continue to do that? And yet it does. And then,
Yeah.
But,
well, I mean, today it's on ES. It was 10-point move, 45 to 35. So there was literally 1, 2. There's 2 trades there, short, 5 each. You're about to get a purple. I mean, all I can do is put it on.
yeah.
And if it goes, it goes. If it doesn't, I mean, I can't. I can't know, and I can't control it, obviously. So
Bounce back up.
Still 35's holding for me.
Yeah.
Unless that goes. And we're right at the prior You know, when I said the higher low, now we're right at it.
How's
You know,
everyone
and
ending up the day, since we're about 7 minutes away from the top of the hour? So go ahead.
well, I was just going to say by this time I sort of stop, which is why I got on the mic so I don't trade because, you know, I don't want to give it all back. And I start questioning, right? Instead of just trading, I'm like, well, it could either do this or that. And then that doesn't help me at all.
Still dropping like it's hot?
Yep. The key is what's it going to do when it gets to 27, which is the low, and or 28, sorry. Because it already hit there and then retested it and bounced. So, but you know, the market can go sideways for, I consider this sideways because we're not getting a high, we're not getting a low, we're just kind of going. So it's 15 points sideways. That's nice.
Yeah. Ooh, blue candle. Dang it.
Yep. Could quickly reverse though.
Yeah. But it would have given me 10 if I
Oh, you'd have gotten 10 there? Wow.
Well,
Good.
I mean, it assuming no
I got you.
slippage. I think
Yeah.
when I'm looking at these things, when I'm looking for 10, I almost need to assume that it's going to go like 12 and a half or 13 because I never seem to get in right on the button.
No.
So.
And you know, it's impossible. Well, maybe you get in once in a while, but
Yeah.
maybe once a day. Like I just round it. So I'm like long 35.
Yeah.
When it was really, where was the low? 33 or something. But you know, when it's volume like this and range like this, it will go, like I said, we're in a 15-point sideways range from 30 or a little below 30 up to 45. So
Yeah, it's pulling back. So it went, like a total of 11 there before this little
yeah,
pullback.
I mean, at the end of the day, if you go back and count, you'll have hundreds of trades,
Yeah.
possible trades, whether they work or not. So here, the long would have worked, and now the short's working. So pretty sure I went 5. Almost. So we're going to have to remind Ox that there's no pulling out early. Stay in. I didn't even look. What was the 7 o'clock news? All that ISM nonsense.
Yeah.
What's ISM? Institute of Supply Management? So I don't even know what that means.
I don't know.
So one was green and the other 3 were red. I don't know what that means. Oh, now we got Fed Goolsby speaking.
Oh, he wasn't on the agenda.
7:30. He's on there now. He was not on it. You're right. And we had another guy before that, or whoever that person was. Bowman. They just come out of the blue. So was the NFP numbers? Was that? I thought I was expecting it to be lower,
Yeah.
just based on reading the reports, and it was. But I thought that was not good for the market.
It's
Obviously,
good for the market thinking that because that would be an indication that the economy is slowing down, so thus they'll think they'll start lowering interest rates. Out of
got it.
51.37, that's still a good trade, Burrow. That's what 30 to 26
Yep.
points. Nice.
Nicely done.
Yeah, it was, but hey, I mean, it's still green, but yeah. I mean, it's better than staying in and letting it all evaporate. So we've reached the top of the hour. I do want to thank everyone for joining. We should have a little bit of calmer week next week. I don't think there's any big reports next week at all. Before the week after, it's CPI and PPI, I believe. But so hope everyone has a great weekend. Remember, next Friday I'll be doing a 9-hour stream doing London and New York. So hope you all join me for that.
Wow.
I'll be continuing to advertise that. We'll be doing a blue sky giveaway as well during that stream. So anyway, hope everyone has a great weekend. Thanks once again, G-Man, for joining me and giving your analysis and thoughts. We'll see you all
Yeah,
Monday.
sure.
Have a great weekend, guys.
Yep.
Bye.
Thanks, Ox.
Yep. Hope you enjoyed today's live stream. Remember, we do this every day, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. Hope you'll continue to join us. Also want to invite you to join our Discord community. Great community of traders talking trading, and sometimes just shooting the breeze about other things as well. Traders helping traders and encouraging traders there. Also, of course, follow me on social media, mainly on Twitter or at X, where you'll always find updates on the latest prop firm discounts and reviews, as well as get notified whenever a new video comes out from MightyOxTrading. Have a great rest of your day.